Hi everyone, today my group will be present to conversation by English. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. Start at me. Good morning. My name is Suriyan Hemkul.
My name is สิทธิชัยโพสี
My name is อดิศักดิ์ตาทอง
My name is วุฒิกรศรีดา
My name is สมัชชัยพวงศ์ Can you recommend some exercise equipment that help burn calories?
Muscle by calorie burning and weight loss cycle. This is an effective method for burning calories as helping to the body.
Can you recommend some equipment that can help build muscle, strength, and endurance?
Dumbbell available in both and adjustable dumbbell like suitable for training a variety of muscle groups.
Our group would like to thank you.
คนบ้านเดียวกันแค่มองตากันก็เข้าใจอยู่รู้ว่าเหนื่อยแค่ไหนว่านา